No, we did. We got something. We got something here. Hey, what's up, guys? This is KSHMR. I'm here today because Splice has sent me a mystery box, and I'm gonna open it up and see what it's all about. This is just gonna be another usual studio session, right? Just like every other day. What the hell do we have in here? All right, instructions. Record some piano on your track. All right, I love that. All right, I have a feeling we're gonna have some fun with this. Maybe the box itself, I'm gonna cheat here a little bit. I could use the box itself. See how the bass is turning out. That's nice. Not a bad kick, honestly, you know, considering. Okay, and let's throw that guy into a drum rack. All right, let's get a little sidechain going. Oh, yeah, I just put sound shifter going up 12 semitones, and then the echo gets sent to that. Use one sample from each volume of Sounds of KSHMR. All right, KSHMR. It's the me, KSHMR. All right, let's go volume 1, man. I barely remember these sounds. There's one that I still love to this day. That's that big boy. Okay, you got a nice little crash, but only one from each one. Yeah, let's do Titus Clap. Why not? I always go back to that one. All right, now 2. Yeah, I have a feeling we can make something with that. All right, so that's 2. Okay, you got to pick something. Let's just pick this stupid little thing. There's too many to pick from. Oh, you know, that's nice. I fear I've not been very practical with the sounds I've picked. But all right, let's go. Let's see what the basis of this is gonna be. Let's put this from the graveyard into the alive yard. This is where I thought the brass could be nice here. So we're starting on a C, and which sounds really crazy right now, but we'll pass it. We'll have to figure out what that guy's doing. Well, but he's not the worst. You know, this is a G, which is not. It's kind of cool because the main movement that you really feel, one of them is the G to the A flat or G to G sharp. You know, could be like this. Maybe could do a bendy kind of thing with it. Now we need to figure out how to incorporate some other stuff. Oh, got your exhaust, got your white noise. If I just get one really long one, that'd probably be good. Just get a little more punch at the beginning of it. Let's go into serum effects, actually. I do like serum effects. You can get one of these really tonally kind of snares. All right, we got a very, very, basic beat. Let's dive into what else we got. Yeah, maybe we could get a little more interesting rhythm going. We're getting this pop. It's nice. I like it. We're rolling now. We're rolling. We got something. This is not locked in, but something. Use search with sound to inspire your drop. I'm going to select the whole thing, go into Splice, and search with sound. All right, so I got my reference, and let's play it back and see what it thinks would be a good idea. And what's insane is it's following the chord progression of my track. So it knows how to change the loop to match the progression, which is just nuts. I don't even know how they do that. Yeah, I mean, that sounds good too. I want to add that in. Oh man, that's crazy. So it just guessed things that would sound good and then made them work also. Again, awesome. This is like too easy. Yeah, that sounds freaking awesome. Yeah, let's throw that in there. And if we want to get creative, maybe later we can do, it's going down, so maybe we'll go up to, and then this guy was awesome, but he's just got kind of a mind of its own. I might go into LFO tool and just try to kind of lock him in. I could, of course, do this with warp too. But I'm going to just go like this. All right. Let's go to our own sounds that we've got here. We cannot forget about the chicken. I'm trying to get different tones. He has one tone that he really likes, which is I can use them like that. Okay, we got some rhythm. So you're so stupid. So good. Okay, maybe I'll let myself cheat just a little bit and at least not make him come down. Like, he can rise up and be goofy like that, but he'll stick to his note once he gets up there. This drift. Oh, maybe even. Yeah, a little cheating. He's not really the duck anymore. He just could be anything, but, you know. We need to build up to him. All right, the chicken's gonna come back in the form of this tapping. Could try this. You know what? Yeah, quit tripping. All right, here we go. Get some transitions going, you know? I saw this guy do it. I don't know why I never thought of this. Just do a bunch of delays and make them all do different stuff. Yeah, that's probably okay. And just put a crazy ass reverb on there, should do it. And we're gonna start everything real low pass. I think it'd be cool. Maybe like that. And I gotta add some shakers and some shells, and we're getting close. Lifting time, baby. I'll show you how it's done. I'm the sweeps guy. There's many ways to make a sweep, but the easiest is just the filter. And at its loudest, we probably want it. Okay, awesome. I think we're ready for Kalimba, guys. The star of our show. He's ready to appear. Search for Kalimba in the Splice instrument, which I've been playing around with and is super powerful. So that'll be lots of fun. I'm gonna get a Kalimba using the Splice instrument. This is a pretty one. Let's dirty him up. Why not? Just make him like a kalimba you've never heard before, you know? Go crazy. Let's, yeah, we'll do that. And we'll put the compression on, make sure it doesn't get out of control. And let's put on EOS is insane. So let's do that. I can think I can work with it. Maybe something is okay. Interesting. Maybe something a little more rhythmic is just simple. I like the first half, that's cool. Maybe it doesn't need all the crazy. Now to top it all off, what's gonna really bring this thing together? Sounds of KSHMR Volume 5. Where do I frickin' begin, man? There's a lot. Maybe something like this for the beginning. Tokyo vibes. All right, let's put a little fill on this bad boy. You know what? I'm gonna do it, man. We just need a little offbeat hi-hat, man. Come on. real subtle, but then I'm just because we're showing off the pack, I want to throw in just a little crunch from the clap, you know, just a little something. I think we made some cool here. Let's give it one listen through, and then we can call it a day, ladies and gentlemen. I think we've done our job. From the top, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, the mystery box. It was a formidable opponent, but we persevered. We have overcome, and we are victorious. Thank you, Splice, for this challenge and this opportunity. This was a whole bunch of fun. Thank you, guys, really.